$5 shout outs, yo. $5 shout outs.
$5 shout outs. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you want to shout something out? That's right. So get at us. 979-0919. Toll free 877-967-6762. Star NRN on your Telus wireless phone. And you can go to WNRN.org and make a pledge. Please, please do it, because you don't want me to start doing this. That's no fun. Are you having fun, Marquis?
No, I'm not having fun.
Keys
mental fun.
Keys the
no
dude,
fun.
It's no fun. I can't hear anything. There's no rap. What if there was no more rap in Central Virginia in the Shenandoah Valley?
It'd be a sad, sad day.
We'd all be walking around like looking at the ground and running into trees. We'd just be sad, you know? I mean, what's up with that? Anyway, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, Keys the Beast up in the studio. Keys, tell us about this song you got, I Told Her.
Alright, so this next song that we about to play, man, it's called I Told Her. It's produced by a local super producer, Lens Prague, and it features myself. It's for the real hip-hoppers out there, man. It's for the ladies, yo, so dig.
Ladies and gentlemen, WNRN Boombox, I Told Her, Keys the Beast.